Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Wealthfront, a powerful robo-advisor platform that makes portfolio diversification simple and automated. If you're looking to build a balanced investment portfolio without the hassle of manual adjustments, this guide is for you. Wealthfront specializes in creating a diversified portfolio tailored to your financial goals. Here's how you can get started. Sign up and create your account. Head to the Wealthfront website or app to create an account. You'll need to answer a series of questions about your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment preferences. Deposit funds. Link your bank account and deposit an initial amount. Wealthfront typically requires a $500 minimum to get started, making it accessible for most investors. Understand your portfolio allocation. Wealthfront builds a diversified portfolio of ETFs, exchange-traded funds, across asset classes such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. The allocation is customized to match your risk profile. Automate your contributions. Set up recurring deposits to ensure consistent growth over time. Wealthfront also offers features like tax loss harvesting to optimize your investments, monitor, and adjust. While Wealthfront manages your portfolio automatically, you can use the app to track performance and tweak goals as needed. Diversifying your portfolio is essential for long-term financial success, and Wealthfront makes it effortless with its automated tools. Have you explored Wealthfront or similar robo-advisors? Share your experience in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.